Hi everybody, my name is Hannah and this is Pepper and Pine and I have a 1-minute craft for you. All you need is a tin can from pretty much any canned food. You want to protect that edge by using some electrical tape. If you have any sharp edges, you can file them down and then cover the whole top with electrical tape. It stays in place really easily. Then we want to trim down our paper. You could use scrapbook paper or cardstock. I am using some watercolor paper that's left over from a previous project. Just want to make sure that it's the right size to go around. This part's pretty important. You want to use a pretty substantial amount of double stick tape. I am doing all 4 sides because this is really heavy watercolor paper. It's 140 pounds and so it's going to really need a lot to stay put. I'm also going to add a little bit more tape on the side and that's it. It's super pretty, super easy, and a really great upcycling project. I hope you try it. We're going to use this to put some of our pens and pencils in for our homeschool desk.